Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you the process behind this festive drawing of Santa Claus. Actually, it's not a Santa, maybe a groom, but whatever. Let's call a Santa Claus. I used my Prismacolor pencil to create the rich color and added some unique touch with markers and water. Let's jump right in. I started by working on Santa's head, and to get the soft blended effect, I use marker and water. This gives the red a nice smooth finish without looking too flat. And the water helps me to create those lighter shades. It was really fun seeing how the colors come to life. For Santa's face and beard, I wanted a more realistic look, so I went with the Prismacolor pencil. I love using this pencil because of their softness and the way they blend. The beard especially has those fine lines that make it look fluffy and soft, just like Santa's beard should be. For the background, I thought blue would be a perfect complement to the red in Santa's outfit. I use a blue crayon to create a nice calm backdrop that makes the Santas really stand out. And here is the final look. I am so happy with how Santa's turned out. I think the colors work really well together, especially the red and blue. It's cheerful holiday piece. If you enjoy watching the process of this drawing, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are interested in seeing more of my work, Visit my website at artdimple91.com for prints and more festival. Thank you so much.